How to reset Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, you're going to want to get your remote, whether that is your universal remote or your Samsung Smart TV remote. Then just press the home button like so. Then you want to press the left arrow until you get to settings, then press the middle enter button there. This will pop up in the middle of the screen where you want to scroll down until you see general, then go to the right, and then you want to scroll down until you see the bottom section where it says reset. Then click the enter button like so. Then you will be prompted to enter your PIN, so make sure you go ahead and find that out if you don't know it already. Then go ahead and type in your 4-digit PIN code, click OK when it pops up, and then once you've done that, you'll be prompted to say OK. Once you click OK, it will start resetting your Samsung Smart TV. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.